and welcome to my next town. Hello townmates, I'm your Ilocano town vlogger Edmaration, and you are watching Edmaration TV, videos of town exploration. And welcome to my next town. It's actually a city, Makati.
Hello townmates, welcome to my next town. But for now, let's explore a city. I would like to share to you my unfiltered daily life as a BEDSPACER here in Metro Manila. I currently live in Makati City. In this vlog, it will be an unconventional house tour because I'll be showing to you the real life of people like me living in a shared apartment space called BEDSPACER. Join me in my next town, Exploration.
So guys, ito na palatan sangoy ti Barangay Brgy Pembo. Medyo traffic, gamin talaga iti battle ni talaga dito itagamin. Ito yung gini pagsurekan ti aming aga po di BGC. Sumrek na ti Makati. Ken naile di dalan, so usually traffic dito. Darasin tayo ng tema traffic. Sumrek tayo tata dito yung akuan dalanin, tinga kanto. Di ba na digi apartment ko dito yung Barangay Pembo, medyo naunag basit. But I choose to stay there gamin. Mga 5 minutes laing di ginak BGC, mapagpag na laing. So I'm very close to BGC. So basit laing nga pag naretin, makadaron tayo. So kastoy iskinitan. Medyo ulit na po, talagang katingtingan, nasa mga iskinit lang na gito yun. Tapos dati agad nga pagbabak dito eh. Okay, dito yung agdan, mapandibanger nga dalan. Shortcut tayo. Okay guys, hanap din ang sa apartment min. So dito yung apartment. Alright. So, sumrekta yun guys. Hello! I'm back here at my apartment. Actually, bed space lang. BEDSPACER na kang nag-claim. Okay. Alright guys, natin natatapid space mean. So, pakitakan niya yung deja in bed ko. So, tinatata upper deck. So, naggulo. So, adat dito yung ginagapo di mapon, diging ibanig nga inivivdag iti jama mapon di Mapon Island. Hindi da kanyak nga souvenir. So, tapos ito na gamit ko. Dati may sangat ito pandigay. Ipandalong ko ta naggulo. So, kasi set up ko guys, being a BEDSPACER in Manila is not really easy. Tapos dito iti pami lababo mi and banyo. Eh dyan magagamit ka ng banyo. Sige, lalaba lang ako. Tantan guys, ipakita ka niya yung kaso yung pinaglaba. Ito lang din paglaba guys. Very limited space talaga. So buhay Dagâ. Grabe niya, di probinsya, naglawat ti pa. Space mo, dapat ti backyard mo, dapat sariling nga rubngin ti Manila talaga, masapol mo talaga iti buhay Dagâ. I mean, real estate is really expensive here in Manila. And if you want to get your own house or your own condominium, you need to spend a lot of money. But syempre, I decided nga to leave this place. That's why I'm vlogging it, to get those memories. I have a lot of memories here also, being staying here for more than a year. And kahit may pakita ka niya yun, anya TV ako ito yung kas may isang BEDSPACER. Ginagdumang kami ng kadwami, nagamit yung probinsyatan, gamin kay quarantine. So dati gamit ko, ngayon i-transfer ko dito. But this space is not mine. This space is not really mine. So gapo gamin to nagamit na di quarantine, nagkwada. Awan, dagiti, nabakantiyan dagiti ni space na so nga inalak pelaing. So dito dagini labadak guys. So, limited space lang talaga yung buhay namin dito sa Manila. Dito dagiti resibo nga napurmong ko dito pandemic. Apun noon, puro 7-Eleven receipts lahat. Grabe oh. Di, magagamit natin yan. Alright, sige. So, dito tubong ko. Sure na gabundok na labada. Grabe. Kailangan kong mapas dito iba sakbin ang transfer. So let's labada. Nakapag-set up na ko yung labada, but the problem is ang kurang ng sabon. Sumapantay ko ng sabon. Store yung taas din lang. Siyempre pandemic, masapal tayo mask. Sabon, as di nga store dito eh. Dito iket nga da kadena de Amor Street. Right here, dumagan tayo ng dala ko dito eh. Sir, meron po kayong sabong panglaba? Ano ba? Surf na lang kung meron. Opo, bar. At saka fabric conditioner. Ano po yan? Dalawa po, dalawa na lang. Magkano po lahat? Okay. Uy, nagtudon, nagtudon. It's raining, guys.
On my next episode, I'm going to show to you a day in my life as a BEDSPACER. What are my daily routines? What I usually do inside a small room shared with other 3 people? What are the challenges and advantages? Do not forget to like, follow, and subscribe. Follow me on social media.
For more photos, videos, and stories of town explorations, visit my travel blog at Edmaration.com. See you in my next town.
There's no way home, and I have no mercy. There's no way out. So